Want to hide a chat on Viber on your iPhone for extra privacy? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to hide a chat, you will need to open the Viber application on your iPhone and go to your main chat list screen. Find the specific individual or group conversation that you wish to hide from the main view for more privacy. Unlike Android, on an iPhone, you cannot hide the chat directly on the Chat tab. Tap on the chat you want to hide. Tap on the name of the chat at the top. It is possible to get a menu when you tap on the name of the chat. If you get the menu, tap on Chat Info and Settings. Scroll down and find the option, Hide this chat, and tap it. If this is your first time hiding a chat, Viber will prompt you to set a 4-digit PIN code. If you already have a PIN set, you will simply need to enter it to confirm and hide the chat immediately. It may also ask you to enable Face ID. I will enable this as it is an easy way not to use the PIN. If you also get a notice about allowing Viber to use Face ID, you must tap on Allow. And that's how you can hide a chat on Viber on your iPhone, moving it to a secret section protected by your PIN code. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.